You doing all right?
No.
Doing better now?
Well, it's kind of smoky outside.
My new truck sure looks pretty out here. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So here's the scoop. We have decided we're gonna send it to a little full sned, get ourselves into a little full sned of a situation and try to fix the truck here. I don't know if we're gonna try to fix it at the hotel or if I should find another parking lot, a different parking lot that wouldn't get mad at me.
More secluded.
Yeah, more secluded. I don't know. It's pretty secluded out here. But yeah. Oh man. She's just so beautiful out here.
Probably pull it around right over on that side.
Yeah. So as of you want to drive, I have to make a few phone calls.
I thought you were gonna do cold.
I will do a cold start. Hold up. As of right now, we need to go get some tools, and we need to get a leaf spring, and we need to get a leaf spring centering pin, and coffee, and a cold start. So I was gonna replace the leaf spring because she's bent. So I thought Spalding's was open for some reason, and they're closed today. It's Saturday. So the only option we have now is to replace just the pin itself. Hopefully it centers the axle enough to get it home. If it doesn't, we're kind of forced to ship it or stay till Monday now. Okay, let's go. Get one of these bad boys. So at Harbor Freight, we picked up our jacks, some sockets, ratchets, BFH, some W40. Now we're at Napa and we're gonna grab some jack stands because y'all know that Harbor Freight stands are a little sketchy. So let's go grab some beefy stands that I need anyway, and we can get to work. So here's the plan, guys. We got all the essentials. The only thing we haven't picked up yet are the parts that we need, which is all right. So all I'm gonna try to replace is just that centering pin, get the axle shifted back, get the pin in there, get the U-bolts tightened back up, and we should be good to go. So yeah, let's get to work. I'm gonna loosen everything else on the ground and then jack it up, throw the truck on stands, kind of shift the axle around, and then we should be able to lower back down and be on the road. That's the plan. Stuff doesn't always go to plan, especially when I'm working on things, but we shall see. My truck can be my toolbox.
Strong man. Do you want to tell everybody the truck's name?
Not really. Do you?
Yeah.
Should we do it?
Let's do her.
Holy, everything's so big and beefy.
Where's the pin that's broken?
It goes from right here, right here. You can't really see it, but it just centers all these.
Oh.
The whole rear of the truck sits on these.
Oh.
So it centers everything. All right, can you give me the WD-40? I'll probably rip it off without getting smacked in the face.
Be careful, boss. Now look at those muscles.
There, more legal now. All right, let's get her jacked up and send it. I'm worn out. I shed shoes. Will this little thing even lift it?
Is that even a proper spot? Sorry.
Nope.
I just don't understand trucks.
Is the front against that curb?
Yeah.
I don't know if those jacks are gonna work or the stands are gonna work.
Pull them out.
I don't know if they're tall enough.
Babe, I'm gonna pick up a little bit so it doesn't look like we're taking over the parking lot. Are those the pins?
No. Oh, there's the axle down. I need the axle to come down lower though. A little more than 5 lug nuts.
Mm-hmm.
Now we should be able to get the pin out.
That's probably good right there, babe. That's the pin.
She's pretty broken and bent.
Mm-hmm.
So I gotta figure out how much longer we need this pin. All right guys, so we got the pin out. She's very, very broken. I need a pin that's probably, I think about 1 inch broke off this guy. So let's grab a pin. We're gonna grab a flathead screwdriver, but this is how she sits right now. If I could find a new leaf and a new shock, that'd be ideal, but it's Saturday, so I don't think it's gonna happen. So let's head to Napa, grab some goodies. Man, she'll work. All right, so the ones I got, all Napa had was a 6-inch long shaft. Sounded kind of funny. And the one I needed was about, I think it's about a 5-inch, so I think it should do the trick. Picked up 2 of these guys. We're gonna slide it through the leaf spring, get everything completely centered up, and then we can drop the truck back down, and we should be good to go. So let's get her done. I need my BFH. Where's my BFH? You might have to help me. You're gonna have to jack it up. All right, so I forgot one little part, which we can get off, but I didn't notice this before, but now I noticed that these U-bolts are severely, severely bent. So I wanna go try to find a new set of U-bolts while we have them off. So let's go make another parts run, and then we should be able to get this thing back on the ground and hit the road, provided the axle's straight, which it should be. Well, let's look actually. Oh yeah. Better than new. Okay, everywhere I went in Missoula, being that it's Saturday, everyone that would have the bolts that I need is closed, and every other like auto parts store, Napa, O'Reilly's, AutoZone type of thing, they didn't have anything near the size. So we are running some bent bolts. Should be all right though. Gotta do whatever it takes, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
A couple minutes and we'll be back on the road. Should I try to tape on a taillight, or it's not even worth it? I don't think it's even worth it.
Yeah.
I'll probably get pulled over for something else anyway, so whatever.
Are we gonna try to find plates?
Nope. I talked to the boys at Napa and they said you don't need plates, apparently.
Oh.
He said you have 30 days.
Oh.
But I don't know if it's true or not.
Like, I always see pieces of paper in the back. Jeez.
Big old wheels and tires.
The moment of truth. What do you think?
Still twisted a little bit, for sure. Uh-oh.
A lot better than it was before though.
I'll tighten everything down and go drive it. If it drives okay, I'll send it. If it doesn't, it ain't worth the risk.
Yeah.
The risk versus reward ratio just isn't there.
Better?
A little bit. Does better cut it though, or does it have to be good?
It has to be good.
You think?
We have a long ways to go.
We'll do some testing. Well, it does 50 fine. It's just, I just know it's not like fixed properly.
Yeah.
It's definitely a lot better. It's way better. It's actually drivable.
I wonder what it looks like from the back because it's still really sideways.
If I just had a leaf spring, I'd be fine. That's all it needs is a leaf, one leaf.
What's the verdict?
I think it's sendable. I just want to figure out something to do with some sort of tail light. I could buy a trailer light and put it anywhere. I could literally just screw it right there. Or just go with no light.
Probably just duct tape it.
All right, boys, we are hitting the road back to Spokane now. So wish me luck. I hope we don't have any issues. I know the truck is gonna be fine. I'm gonna drive, obviously very safe. I'm just kind of wondering with like the law. I don't want any issues with the law. I've talked to 2 people now in Montana and both said you don't need a plate for 15 days apparently out here after you buy a vehicle. So we should be good there. Only thing I'm worried about is the taillight, which we could screw something on, but yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. We ended up making it back home just fine. Truck drove actually pretty good. Surprisingly, we got like 22 miles a gallon, which is way better than I thought a diesel would ever get. So that was pretty cool. Absolutely love driving this truck. The interior is super nice. It rides good, even with a sideways axle. Now it's time to get this thing fixed up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know the first thing you think we should do to this new truck. Of course, after fixing everything, we have to fix the suspension, which we'll probably try to do tomorrow, and then get all the body work done. But as far as mods go, drop a comment. Should we lift it first, do wheels and tires first, make it fast first, do the full delete? What should we do? Let me know. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.